GMPM people, welcome to another SMT tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be taking you through how to participate in FHEnix Testnet. FHEnix is an Ethereum Layer 2 network that have apparently raised up to $22 million in funding. I'll be taking you through engagements that you can perform on their testnets that could help position you for future rewards. But before we dive right into the tutorial today, guys, if our content have been helpful to you, you can support our channel by buying our educational token, Wiki Cat. Wiki Cat is built on the Binance Smart Chain network, and the contract address of Wiki Cat will be right in the description. Okay guys, so let's dive right into this tutorial. We're going to start with launching this browser. Okay, so first thing to do is to go over to our wallet and add FHEnix Testnet to our wallet. So come over to extensions, MetaMask. Okay guys, so come over here, select add network, select add network manually. Alright, so I'll just input the details of the testnet. You can get the details right in the description. Alright, so after filling each field with the necessary details, you can then select save. Alright, so we'll switch over to FHEnix Testnet. Okay, so once we're done with that, next is to head over to their bridge and bridge some tokens with these testnets. Actually, what we'll be bridging is a token from Sepolia network. So you need some Sepolia Ethereum in your wallet. So if you don't have Sepolia Ethereum in your wallet, the link to a faucet will be in the description, so you can get your Sepolia Ethereum from there. But please do be informed that you need to hold at least 0.001 Ethereum in your mainnet wallet. Alright, for me, I already have some Sepolia Ethereum in my wallet. So let's head over to their bridge. Paste, search. Alright, so we're going to connect our wallet. Tap connect, confirm. Alright, so we're going to switch over from FHEnix to Sepolia because that's where we'll be bridging from. Switch. So as you can see, this is the amount of Ethereum I have on Sepolia network in my wallet. So next is to impute the amount of Sepolia Ethereum that you want to bridge. So I'll impute 0.005 and select deposit. Do ensure that you do not impute the whole amount in your wallet so that you can pay for gas fee. So select confirm. And just wait for confirmation. I really don't know how long this is going to take. It seems like it's going to take quite some time, right? So once your funds arrives in your wallet, right, that's pretty much it. So another thing you can actually do is some transactions on your wallet. You can perform some transactions on your wallet. So you just go over to your MetaMask wallet, MetaMask. Okay, so we are on Sepolia network. Let's switch over to FHEnix network. So once your funds arrive, it's going to come as TFHE token. You can then send your test tokens. So come over to send. You impute the address of your recipient. So say this is the address, right? And here, impute the amount you want to send and go ahead to confirm and complete your transaction, right? So if you need an address to send to, right? There will be an address in the description of this video. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. Easy peasy, simple and straightforward. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial video. Please, if you have questions concerning the video, you can drop your questions in the comment section. Do like, comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next tutorial.